I am using my phone to do some creating. So right now I am in Creative Fabrica and I found this whimsical Valentine designs here. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to download this bundle here, which is really cute. That's got all kinds of awesome little designs in it. So I'm going to open this. And I'm going to extract all of these right now. So I'm going to extract these. Oh, they're super cute. So let's take a look at some of these. Oh yeah, they're very cute. So now I'm going to go into my Canva app and I am going to create a custom size. And you can go to the units here. I have Canva Pro and I'll change it over to inches here. And I like to create 8 by 8 inches. That seems to work really well for a lot of the designs that I use and sell. So now I'm going to scroll over here to uploads and I am going to start uploading some files. You can see that I uploaded some cute ones on here yesterday as well. Maybe we'll incorporate some of them too. So I'm going to go to my device here and I am going to go to downloads and I'm going to go to Whimsical Valentine. These are the ones I downloaded today. And I'm just going to click on a few of them here. I'm not going to upload all of them, but I thought it would be fun to bring a couple in and work on those. So let's get these in here and start the upload. And as you can see, it's bringing them in. Some of these would go real cute together. So I think I will bring in this mailbox. It reminds me of being a child when we used to make our Valentine mailboxes for our classroom when we would get our Valentine. So I'm going to bring this in. Now I am going to go to text box here. So let me go here and find a text box and I'll add a text box here. I'm going to move it up. If I can grab a hold of it here, move it up, and then I am going to write, be my Valentine, and then I will put another text box in here because I might use a couple different fonts. Go to another text box here, add a text box, and I will again pull this one up here, and it's in white, so I definitely want to change my color over. I'm not going to be able to see it. I'll turn it black here. So I'm going to change this text box to Valentine. So get rid of that here. Valentine and exclamation point. All right, so now I'm going to make these bigger so that we can see what we're doing here. And now I'm going to start changing my fonts. So I'll start with this one and I will go under fonts here, right here, and I'll start looking for a nice font that I think will look good with this. So I'm going to scroll over. I brought a lot of these in from Creative Fabrica already. That looks kind of cute. So I'll try this one here. That. And now Valentine, I'll pick another font. So I uploaded a lot of these fonts, like I said, from Creative Fabrica already. And so I'm just going to go here again to font and see what might look good with that text box that I have there. So let's see, I'll go to more here where we can see them a little bit better. But like I said, most of these I have uploaded from Creative Fabrica into Canva. And I'll have a link below for some videos on how to do that as well. Let's see what would look good with that. Let's try this one. Valentine. That looks kind of cute, but I think something a little thicker would look nice. There we go. I think I'll use that one. So now I'll make my mailbox a little smaller here. Pull Valentine down and make that as big as I can get it here. Stick it down into Valentine there. Let's move it over a little bit here. Get this Be My here and just move it in so that it's not touching Valentine there. I keep losing my finger is losing this here on my phone. But I've got to get a hold of it. Use my pen here. Nope, not having any luck there. So let's try this again. touch it with my finger. Come on, there we go. Got it to move there. I want to get it right in there between the T and the V. There we go. Now maybe I'll move this one over just a hair, kind of like that there. And then I'll make this one a little smaller, a little bigger to get it away from that B. There we go. So now I'm going to highlight this one, Valentine, and I'm going to go down to the color here. And now it will bring in some colors from our design, as you can see here, photo colors. And so maybe I'll change that to this color for now. And then I'll go up to the Be My, which is a different text box. And I'll go to the color again. And let's see, try that one. Ooh, that looks pretty. So now I'm going to also click on the Be My here. Oh, got Valentine on it there. Go to the Be My there. And now I'm going to go to, come on, I want Valentine. It's harder on the phone than it is on my laptop, but that's okay. We'll get this. I'm actually traveling, and so I thought it would be fun to do something on my phone here while I'm sitting in the car waiting for my husband. So let's go to effects here. And I really like this outline. If you watch my videos, you probably know that. And you can see here how it outlined that and made it a little bit thicker, which I like, but I might change the color here. So I'm going to go back to that Be My here and go to color. And I'm going to change that to, now it's the same color as the outline, so it actually made it thicker, so that looks good too. But I think I'll go with this brown maybe here, and let's see what else I can find here. So I do like that. That looks pretty cute. So now you can also go in and go under Magic Studio, and you can make some changes with colors and editing. But right now I'm going to leave this because I think that is a very simple and cute design that can be used on a card or a shirt or anything that you want to use it for. So now I will go to download this. So let's go to upload here. And I'll hit download, and because I have Pro, like I said, I can raise the DPI here to whatever I want it to, and I'm going to leave it about right here at 3250, and of course I'm going to leave it as a PNG. You have that choice, and I'm going to click transparent background here because these with the crown are Pro options, and then I'm going to download my image, and then we'll go see what it looks like. So there you can see my image. And of course, you're seeing this with the black background, and that is just because it is a clear background. And so it's showing you what it's going to look like. Say you were going to do DTF and you're putting it on a black shirt. This is what it would look like. But you got to remember that this will have a clear background. Well, I hope this helped you, and I hope you have a great day. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think.